I want to put something in that hole. So here's what's normally in there. And we have the whole bumper. I'm sure it works well, but I don't. So I'm going to replace that with a screw. I want to take a screw and put it in that hole, but as you see, it's not going to do anything. I'm going to take my rib nut tool, get it in there, push it in, squeeze. Just like that, I have a hole for a screw. All right, now that I got the nut cert, time to put this back on. So one screw back here. There we go. Of course, got this side too. No more plastic rivets falling out.